Step into the wild charm of Brownville, Maine, where 50 acres of untamed beauty stretch out before you, whispering freedom, adventure, and possibility. This isn't just a house, it's a canvas, a classic New England farmhouse that carries stories in every wooden beam and echoes of quiet mornings and hard-working days. Yes, it needs some love. There is deferred maintenance, especially in the barn, but that just means it's waiting for your vision to come alive. And let's talk about that barn. Rustic, weathered, full of soul. Whether you restore it into a dream workshop, repurpose the historic barn boards, or rebuild entirely, this structure offers options that few places ever can. There's a market for reclaimed wood, or you can keep the nostalgia and bring it back to life. Either way, you win. The house itself is large, flexible, and full of potential. Multiple rooms, multiple layouts. There's even an apartment setup already in place. Want a first-floor bedroom? Absolutely possible. Want extra income from a rental unit? Go for it. Dream of multi-generational living or hosting guests for summer stays? This home makes it easy. You're not just buying walls and windows, you're getting land, 50 acres. That's trails, gardens, maybe even a few cabins. Thinking bigger? The public boat launch is just a stone's throw away, opening doors to ideas like a private campground, tiny home retreat, or weekend glamping experience. Nature is your business partner here. What makes Brownville so special? It's Maine, the real Maine. Quiet, green, peaceful, where every season brings its own kind of magic. Golden autumns, crisp, clean winters, fresh spring mornings, and summers filled with fishing, hiking, boating, and bonfires. You're surrounded by lakes, rivers, trails, all just waiting for your footsteps. Imagine waking up to mist rolling over your fields, drinking coffee on the porch while deer wander the edge of the trees, kids running wild in the tall grass, evenings where stars blanket the sky, and silence is the soundtrack. This is the kind of life that heals, calms, and inspires. And here's the best part. The price makes this opportunity accessible. You're not just dreaming about the countryside, you can own it. And even though this property is rustic now, you're getting land, structure, location, and freedom, something that's getting rarer by the day. So whether you're a visionary builder, a nature lover, an off-grid dreamer, or someone searching for that peaceful escape, this farmhouse is waiting for your story. And yes, when you're ready to make it yours, it's being sold on online auction, so bid with confidence, plan with passion, and step into a future rooted in the soul of Maine.